One of the most common reasons why you have chronic disease such as diabetes or thyroid problems or joint pain or brain fog is because of inflammation. So what can you do to control the inflammation? Well, you want to get rid of the most inflammatory foods. And dairy is one of the most inflammatory foods. Why dairy? I love cheese. I'm sure you love cheese, but we don't have the enzyme to break down dairy as we age. It just makes sense as someone is weaned off of milk, well, then you don't have the enzyme to break down that food. And so that food will just cause inflammation in the gut. Also, dairy has insulin-like growth factor in it. This is meant to grow a calf from a little calf to a full-grown adult cow in less than 10 months. And insulin is a fat-storing hormone. For a lot of you, you struggle with insulin resistance, so why would you partake of a food that has more insulin, more fat-growing hormone in it? Also, dairy is a common source of things like ear infections and mucus. So if you're someone where you wake up full of congestion, well then getting rid of dairy would probably help that as well. But also, one thing that a lot of you don't know about dairy is that it is a common way that we get mold into our body. A cow that is fed grain that is full of mold, then you drink the milk or eat the meat from that cow, well then that mold gets into you. Mold can cause all kinds of different problems. It's definitely going to cause inflammation. A lot of molds are also carcinogens. They will actually cause cancer. So if you want to control the inflammation, get rid of dairy. You can substitute things like coconut milk or almond milk or cashew milk, but there's plenty of substitutes out there so that you're not getting exposed to dairy. It's all about making a decision that you want something different. So dairy, one of the top inflammatory foods. Not only does it cause inflammation, it causes more insulin resistance, it makes you fat, and it is a very common way that we get mold in our body.